it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about.
Oh, that looks so good. So do you all switch up the cookies that you do like every week, or how does it work?
Yeah, so we normally have the chocolate chip and some type of sugar every week, and then the 4 change out.
So we stopped at Popeyes and got some chicken. The kids got chicken tenders and chicken nuggets. I got some chicken wings. So I'm going to see just how good these wings are, because I have never had them. I'm about to doctor them up. And Marquella, what you get? Strips. These strips, right? So Marquella got strips, and Marquise, you got chicken nuggets, right?
This sweet tea is so good.
This sweet tea good? All right, guys. So I tried Popeyes chicken, and it's okay. It's good. I'm not even gonna lie. Once I doctored it up and put my honey on it and my hot sauce, it was good. It was good. So yeah, my first time trying actual chicken from Popeyes. Like, I've tried their chicken sandwiches. You know, I've tasted those when my kids would get them, but I've never actually had their chicken, like bone-in chicken. So that was my first time. It was good. Nothing. I don't see why the lines are always long. I don't think it's that good, but the chicken is good. But anyway, I'm getting ready to taste one of these cookies from Crumbl Cookies. This is our first time trying them. Our location just opened a few weeks ago here. So let's taste this cookie, y'all. All right. I'm not a sugar cookie girl, so I definitely won't be trying those. That's more Markella's thing. The milk chocolate, and then I think this was the mint. No, not mint. The double chocolate with the mini York peppermint patty on top. That's too much chocolate for me. So I'm going to play it safe, and I'm going to try one of these milk chocolate chip cookies. And let's see how it tastes. Okay, so I just cut me a little piece of this milk chocolate chip one. These cookies are huge. I'm telling you, you really can't tell from like the video, but seeing them in person, they are huge. Let's see. All right, y'all, here we go. Crumbl cookies, they are good. I already signed up for the little loyalty and coupon program because I already know the kids are going to have me there a lot. And yes, milk chocolate chip, it's a win for me. It's good. So if you got a Crumbl cookies in your area, go head on over and go on and try it. It is delicious. And that blue food, I know.
team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, ere he drove out of sight,
Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night! Ha 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 ha!
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning. It's almost lunchtime now, but I didn't come back and tell you all good night last night. As you know, took mama to see Christmas Town because my mom loves Christmas, you guys. She loves it, and that was her first time going to Christmas Town, and she was so excited. It just warmed my heart to see my mom that excited because, like I said, she really, really loves Christmas, and she really enjoyed herself. Letting this car out. Okay. But yeah, she really loves Christmas, so she was so excited. And of course I couldn't record as much as I wanted to of the holiday show. We went to one show. We went to an outdoor show towards the night before Christmas where they were ice skating, and she really got excited then, y'all. I just wish I could have recorded more because, you know, your girl was trying to like do it low key or whatever. You know, other people were recording too, but I just didn't want to be that one that was up front and center because they don't want you to record. You know how it is when you go to the theme parks and the shows and stuff like that. But other than that, we had a great time. I just went to go see Adore design her brows, and yes, you guys, this was the third time. But she told me to come back a third time if I needed to, and like I had told you all before, I definitely felt like I needed to. They just weren't dark enough for me, so she did a little switcheroo with the coloring this time, and we think we got it this time. So hopefully, keep your fingers crossed, it is dark enough for me this time. But yeah, I'm just running right quick. I gotta run to Dollar Tree. It's just so much to do. It's always something to do, guys. Let me put my window up. I gotta run to Dollar Tree. I gotta get gift bags. I need gift bags too because of my Secret Santa at work. We have to turn the gifts in tomorrow, so I definitely need a gift bag for that. What y'all getting ready to do? Because y'all getting ready to cause a doggone accident. Okay. I need a gift bag for that and some tissue paper because I want to go home before the kids get home and wrap some Christmas presents too and put under the tree. But you know what, if I don't get to that, it's okay because I'm off tomorrow too, so I can wrap presents tomorrow, so it really doesn't even make a difference to me. But I gotta get to the Dollar Tree because I definitely gotta get those gift bags. But I'm getting ready to run in the grocery store right quick because I want to pick up some ground turkey. I'm trying to make sure it wasn't anything else that I needed to pick up, guys. But yeah, I want to make spaghetti for dinner tonight, and then I got to figure out too what I'm gonna cook Marquise, because Marquise is a picky little eater and he does not like spaghetti. Everybody else in the house eats spaghetti but Marquise. So yeah, let me run in here right quick, guys, and I'll be back. All right, fam, I know I was supposed to pick up the camera when I came back from out the store. Please forgive me, but I didn't. I'm back home. It is later on in the day. Brows, I'm loving them. Like I told y'all earlier, she did a little different color mixture this time, so I'm hoping that this is the one. We're keeping our fingers crossed that this color is darker and it lasts on me and it heals darker than the previous brows. But anywho, I'm back home. I'll give you a peek. My living room is a wreck. Yeah. Trying to finish doing some Christmas wrapping before the kiddos get home. So I just wanted to pick up the camera and close this vlog out. If you made it this far, what you waiting for? Come on over to the family. I see y'all watching. I see the views. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and become a part of the family. All right, y'all. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Bye.